Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove gift card from Apple Wallet. You just need to go to your Apple Wallet, select the gift card you want to remove from your Apple Wallet. Tap on it and you will see this type of view on your mobile screen. Now at the bottom right corner you will find a I button. Simply click on it. Then at the last you will find remove pass. By clicking on it you can remove this gift card from your Apple Wallet. Remember, once you remove a gift card can't be recovered again. So be sure and careful when you're removing a gift card. There you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.